In this video, I will show you how to activate your Gusto Benefits card. First, open your web browser and go to app.gusto.com. Log into your account, and once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see your account icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Switch to Employee Profile. This will take you straight into your employee profile. On the left-hand side, you will notice a menu with options like Home, My Profile, Pay, Wallet, Benefits, and Documents. Go ahead and click on the Benefits tab. This will open up the Benefits store for individuals. Inside, you will see a variety of offers to choose from depending on your needs. Each one has a Learn More link you can click on. For example, if you select the Ladder tab and click Learn More, it will open a new browser tab with more details. The same goes for other options, like renter's insurance and more. And that's how to activate your Gusto Benefits card.